Hi guys, I'm going to show you a video about how users can remotely monitor the connected devices and program parameters via the EPEVER server, mobile app, or the large screen. Step 1. Connect the Wi-Fi module to the device. Select the connection cable by the COM port. Download and install our mobile app. Step 2. Open the app, click the EPEVER Cloud icon, and input the account to log in. Step 3. Click the plant icon, it is the light icon instead when logging in with the Streetlight account, and select a project. Step 4. Click icon Add Device on the plant list page. Step 5. Select the device to be added to the cloud server. Step 6. Select the connected Wi-Fi module. Step 7. Input the ID, or scan the QR code, on the module label, and click Confirm. Step 8. This page shows if the module's IMEI has been recorded in the cloud server, and click Next. You can press this button to restore factory settings. Step 9. Input the router password and click Next. Put the router in a 2.4G Wi-Fi area. Step 10. Click Set up Wi-Fi and connect the phone to HN_XX Wi-Fi. See the model's label for password. Back to the app, click Next. Step 11. Enter the Wi-Fi module configuring page. Do not disconnect the network while configuring RTU. Step 12. Click Confirm to go to the Wi-Fi setting. Connect the phone to the router Wi-Fi again. Return to the app, and the plant or light project shows. If the project does not show that it is connected, you can restart the app, and there may be some delay in the initial binding. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please contact us at the end of this video and the link on the details page of this video.